Hi guys, welcome back to Rock and Sand Campers YouTube channel. You know, sometimes all of us feel ourselves like a small grain of sand once we meet something huge. And today I'm gonna show you the biggest project we made in Rock and Sand Campers. Look here. Sorry, mistake. Look here. We have here Volvo 460 truck with the diesel engine, which provides us with the excellent base to convert to the recreational vehicle. With this vehicle, you have no limits on the road. You can go wherever you want, anywhere. The whole world is open for you. And now I'm gonna show you what do we have inside. Let's go. And now it's time to see what do we have inside of this incredible, huge project we did in Rock and Sand Campers. So in the beginning we have our standard entry door with the holders, garbage bin, so this one is usual. And the first room we start is the living room. From the first sign, the living room made in our classic Rock and Sand Campers design. There are two sofas transformed to one additional huge bed, so all these parts together create the soft sleeping space for 3 adults as minimum. On the top, through the all perimeters, we have our storages. There are a lot of storages with the anodized aluminum corners and the insert LED lights to create warm atmosphere when you need to relax after the travel day. And of course, there are 2 huge panoramic windows on the both sides with the blind screen and mosquito mesh to enjoy the view and create the unforgettable memories during your trip. As you can see, one of the most important difference between our regular projects and this Volvo RV is the color of the furniture we have. Usually we use the plywood finishing for our furniture panels, but for this case we use the fiberglass finishing. So all the body made from fiberglass and the furniture made from fiberglass as well. Fiberglass, it's not the sticker on top, it's exactly designed we purchased from the United States, specially ordered for this project, because one of the most important requests from the client was to create feels like a home atmosphere but not use the heavy materials like a wood. That's why we don't move out from our standards and use the fiberglass. There are so many options of design you may choose for your project, so it could be not only like this, it could be more classic wood color fiberglass or any other design. We have the catalog for our clients, so you can create your own space and own design to make sure the RV you order is completely according to your request. And the last thing I forgot to tell you in the living area is the true pass access from the living unit to the truck cabin. So we have a door here, and once you need to fast move from the one area to another, you can just directly make it from this access and avoid long walking through the cabin to the entry door. The next valuable point of our Volvo RV project is the kitchen area. There's lots of storage compartments, our classic water sink and the double burner Siemens cooktop. Of course, all the area equipped with the 220 sockets to make sure you have enough power inlet if you need to use the coffee machine, rice cooker, whatever you need. And the big window is a cherry on top. And now it's time to move to the second part of our unit. The area divided by the 2 pieces sliding doors, also made from the structured fiberglass. It's just the different structured fiberglass we use for the interior by the client request. So voila, welcome! Here we have 185 liters fridge with the freezer on the left side. So the freezer is here, it's very cold. As you can see, it's cold enough to keep your food fresh. So 185 liters fridge, and the huge storage compartments consist 1, 2, 3, 4 wardrobe. Here's the huge area inside and the wardrobe for the long clothes. It's time to refresh a little bit, and for your comfort we have full-size shower and toilet room. The area equipped with the Dometic flash toilet, sink and floor area made from the single-piece Corian. There are two fans on top, one inside the shower cabin and one on top of the sink to remove all the moistures from your shower, LED light on top and storage on the side. Just look at this full-size shower cabinet we made. Also made from the fiberglass, but here you can see there are different structure to make more hammam style view to feel comfortable. The most important thing, there are 500 liters of the fresh water we have in this unit. 500 liters. Together with the 100 liters of gray and 100 liters of black water tank installed. Just imagine how long you can stay far away from the civilization. Just enjoy the wildlife and no worry about the access to the fresh water because you have enough 500 liters. And now it's time to show you the last area. So let's count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's a bedroom. It's the huge bed with the 3 panoramic windows from all sides. Of course, there is equipped with the LED lights on the roof and the AC on the top. Just have a look here. There are 2 USB in the left and right corners plus original socket and 3 more storage compartments to make sure you have enough of space to keep all your belongings. In the end of our RV tour, I would like to show you our electrical heart of the unit, which is based here in the storage compartment under the bed area, and it stays here. As you can see, there are a lot of stuff, and this unit is equipped with the 2 lithium-ion batteries, 10,000 watt each, which provides us with the 20 kilowatts of the energy on the same time, plus hybrid inverter of the 7,000 watt, solar panels installed on the roof, which give us 2,000 watts, and 3,000 watts per hour direct charger from the engine. As the area is huge, we installed 3 AC, 1 rooftop on the bedside, 1 rooftop on the living side, and 1 under bench in the living side as well. And with this amount of energy, we can run all this AC up to 24 hours. If you stay in some cold area and you do not require the AC, you can have access to the electricity unlimited time. Plus, the combi water and air heater installed and connect directly to the diesel tank, so it works from diesel, and also have the 220 backup as an option if your diesel tank is empty. So if you stay in the hot area or cold area, you still have everything to feel yourself comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and our RV tour is completed. If you would like to know more about the project we have, or if you want to have something like this in your own, you are welcome to Rock and Sound Campers. All the links will be in the description, so follow us, write your comments, and we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.